These are your notes over the carbon cycle. Our essential question, how does carbon move throughout an ecosystem? Why is this an important part of climate change? So here's your outline. These are the different stops of the carbon cycle. Carbon is just, this is coal, and this is a diamond. It's like boron and nitrogen and hydrogen. It's just an element represented with the letter C. Alright, here's the carbon cycle. You're numbering the stops that a carbon molecule could make. We always start, so put a number 1 right here up in atmospheric carbon, number 1. And then we first talk about the plants taking it out of the air, that's number 2, in the process of photosynthesis. And then it gets eaten by an animal, number 3. Both of those living things breathe it back out in cellular respiration. And then 4, it dies. 5, it turns into fossil fuels. 6, it gets burnt, and then it goes back up into the atmosphere. And the ocean has carbon in it, and it has plants and animals also doing photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Climate change, or global warming, greenhouse effect, is a controversial issue about the imbalance of the carbon cycle. It's when too much CO2 is in the air and it traps in the heat and warms the globe. So we've got millions of years worth of fossil fuels in the ground, and then it's burnt as we use it for energy, and then it makes too much. It puts an imbalance up in the atmosphere, traps in the heat, and then it warms the globe, melts the icebergs, and then raises the sea level. Alright, you try, fill in the blanks with stops and processes. Hint, you can use the word bank from the outline at the very top. It's a little difficult, a little bit different than we've been talking about, but see if you can fill in what all is going on here. There's one missing, and you try and add that one in.